So here you can see that it's a new blockchain wallet with a zero balance, empty. It's complete new wallet. Okay, so we are here and we find a transaction, Bitcoin live transaction. Okay, it's official website of blockchain of Explorer. We just go there. We can find from here, or we can maybe click over here to find another one. So let's see. Yeah, I got a transaction with I guess 0.03 BTC. Okay, and it's approximately 2287. Okay, so we're gonna confirm this transaction into wallet. Right click and then go to inspect. Wait for a few seconds to completely open there and then click to console. And there's some warning, if you paste someone code over here, it maybe take your money from your wallet. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet with zero balance. Okay, so this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about anything. So yeah, make sure you just make a new blockchain wallet and make sure you read this before you pasting anything here. Okay, so let me copy the script, select all, right click, copy the script and then paste it over here. Clear everything from here first, clear everything and then paste script over here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and this is the transaction. We just need a hash ID. Okay, copy to clipboard and then paste it over here. Paste, click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yeah, I just want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here and just refresh the balance to see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date. It's Monday 2 February 2026. Okay, and this is the channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe for more related videos. It has 10k subs on YouTube. And let me show you the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but let's see. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it's confirmed. It's 100% confirmed. As you can see, it's 100% confirmed. As you can see, it's the same transaction, but its price fluctuate as up and down. As you know, BTC rate is so high. Whenever I refresh, it may be changed. So let's see. Yeah, it's there, and there's another. Let's refresh from here once again, because that time we done transaction it was another and now it's changed. So let's see once again. As you can see, it's once changed once again. Okay, so yeah, maybe it will change once again from here. So yeah, take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next video.